Vindicate me, O Lord, was the cry of David when he wrote the Psalm 35. And in this psalm, you need to understand why David cried it out, vindicate me, O Lord. And I want to share a deep biblical truth to you about vindication. Saints, it's time now for vindication. So David wrote in the Psalm 35:12, when I show them mercy, he's speaking about his enemies. When I show them mercy, they bring me misery. I am forsaken and forlorn, like a motherless child. Verse 13. I even prayed over them when they were sick. So David was helping his enemies. They turned against him. He prayed over them. I was burned and bow low with fasting and interceding for their healing, and I did not stop praying. Next verse 14. I grieve for them, heavy-hearted, as they were my dearest family members or my good friends who were sick, nearing to death, needing prayer. The reason why I want to share it with you, because sometimes we walk a walk through life and we experience it by our own life. And you cannot understand scriptures if you too go through a process of this. It sounds like Bereshith ministry, interceding for people, praying for them, sitting hours, days, months, sometimes years, spending time with people to get their freedom. And now David is saying, my enemies are many, they hate me, they persecute me, though I have done nothing against them to deserve it. Verse 20, I show goodness to them, I get repaid evil in return. And they hate me even more when I stand for what is right. See, when you speak the truth and stand and expose the lies in people's life, you will understand why people hate David. The enemy does not like when you expose it, and therefore the cry of David, vindicate me now, O Lord. Psalm 35:23. Now is the time to awake. Rise up, Lord, vindicate me, O my God. David was very bold when he spoke these words. Listen carefully again. He asked the Lord, it is now time to awake, Lord, rise up. He's asking, evenly commanding the Lord, rise up and vindicate me, O Lord. And then David is saying, you have every right to judge me, Lord, according to your righteousness, but don't let them rejoice over me when I am stumbled. David knows that God is a God of righteousness and he will come through for him. Let you judge me, O Lord, according to your righteousness. The Lord is the judge and not people. Now, vindication is to clear your name. Vindicate me, O Lord, David is crying out. Lord, rise up, clear my name. I want to read to you vindication. It means to clear someone of suspicion and of blame, or to prove that the person and his actions, his ideas are correct. You are justified or true despite earlier doubt. Vindication is for God to defend you, to justify you, to clear something of false accusation. Many of these enemies of David falsely accuses him, and he cry out, God, rise up, vindicate my name. It is restoring your reputation and proving that indeed you are right. I declare and decree this morning over you that God will rise up in your life and he will vindicate you. He will prove that you are right when your enemies came against you, even when you done nothing wrong to them.